Hi, this is Tom Arbuthnot and we're in Microsoft London office in what is basically a living room. And I'm here with Graham Hosking and we're talking Skype Business Server 2019.
We are, yeah.
Cool. So at Ignite, Microsoft announced there is a new Skype Business Server version. So with all the focus on cloud, it's kind of why do Microsoft think there's still value in having a new server version?
Yeah, so Skype for Business Server is not going away.
Mm-hmm.
We understand that there's customers out there that aren't ready to go to the cloud yet. So we're carrying on that functions and features that people are used to on-prem, but then maybe having more of the capabilities to have a hybrid approach and use the functions and services that we have online.
Yeah, so that was some of the big messaging, wasn't it, around servers. Servers not going away, there are legal requirements, there are some features that you might need, but let's allow server users to leverage some of the benefits of the cloud.
Exactly, yeah.
So along those lines, the server VNext was still relatively early, but things were talked about of leveraging cloud services, so being able to leverage cloud voicemail, call queues, auto attendance, some of that big investment in those Azure services. Why can't a server user leverage those where they feel it's appropriate?
Exactly, yeah.
Good stuff. And there was talk of using Server 2016, using SQL 2016, so taking some of those new technology investments and putting them into the server on-prem deployments.
Yeah, that's right. You know, if you're going to stay on-prem, then you need to be on the latest and greatest to get all the functions and features of not just Server 2019, but the next version of it as well.
Yeah, and alongside that, there's new server versions coming for Exchange and for SharePoint, and similar themes. Kind of on-prem is definitely not going away. Microsoft understand there's a requirement for it, but let's give people with on-prem the ability to leverage the cloud where it makes sense.
Yeah, if you consider that some organisations might want to use Teams as well, then that hybrid approach will be well received, I think.
Yeah, and that was some other news. So dropping some roles. So it looks like Director and Standard Edition might be going away, but also looking towards better Teams interop.
Yeah, exactly.
So stay tuned for more information on Skype Business Server, and interested in your thoughts on the news that broke at Ignite. What do you think about server features? Is there anything you want to see coming in server? And are you planning to deploy Server 2019?